Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to select multiple emails in Outlook. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once it launches, log into your account if you haven't already. Give it a moment to fully load in all your emails and make sure everything appears on your screen. You'll want to wait until your inbox is completely populated before moving forward with selecting multiple emails. Once your emails have loaded, navigate to your inbox pane. This is the main area where all your emails and email folders are displayed. You'll see your messages listed vertically, usually sorted by date with the most recent ones at the top. This is where you'll be working to select multiple emails at once. Now here's where it gets simple. Click on the first email you want to select. You'll notice it becomes highlighted, showing that it's been selected. This is your starting point. From here, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While you're holding Control, you can now freely click on any additional emails you want to include in your selection. Each email you click will be added to your selection without deselecting the previous ones. This method is perfect when you need to select specific emails that aren't necessarily next to each other in your inbox. You can pick and choose exactly which messages you want to work with, whether they're scattered throughout your inbox or grouped together. Once you've selected all the emails you need, you can perform bulk actions on them, like moving them to a folder, deleting them, marking them as read or unread, or forwarding them all at once. This saves you a ton of time compared to handling each email individually. And that's it. You now know how to efficiently select multiple emails in Outlook using the Control key method. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.